Dear student, good morning to all of you. I am Rajiv Kumar. Welcome to all of you here in online classes. Today I am going to teach the topic environment. It is our basic life support system. It provides the air for breath, the water we drink, the food we eat, and the land where we live. For your better comprehension, I am going to explain in Hindi. पर्यावरण हमारे जीवन की आधार है, जहाँ हमें सांस लेने के लिए हवा, पीने के लिए जल, खाने के लिए भोजन और रहने के लिए भूमि प्रदान करता है. In another way, we can say the condition in which we live and the work called environment. The next topic, types of environment. पर्यावरण के प्रकार. The first one here, natural environment, प्राकृतिक पर्यावरण. And the second one, man-made environment, मानवीय पर्यावरण या मानव निर्मित पर्यावरण. The first here is the natural environment. Now we are going to explain the topic natural environment. It consists of all components provided by nature can be called as the natural environment. As example, land, water, air, plants and animals. The second one, man-made environment. Such the types of environment is used to refer to one created by man called as man-made environment. Also, such the previous type, in another way we can see, it is the environment which reveals the activities, creations and interactions among human beings. Also, we can express the sentence, the word environment origin by the French word environner, meaning of is the word called neighborhood. Now look at the picture given in page number 2. This is the figure of components of environment. That means these all are created the condition regarding the components of environment. Here the first given is natural, the second one human made, and the third one is human. Also, firstly we try to know about the human, then the things made by the human made, and the first classification of the natural. So these all are the components of environment. We can say easily, that means पर्यावरण के अवयव. The next one, here the next topic, domains of the environment. That means पर्यावरण के क्षेत्र. Here we are going to read above the topics. Now we have just explained such the types. The first one is lithosphere, that means Asthanmandal, and the second one is hydrosphere, that means Jalmandal, and the third one is atmosphere, Vayumandal, and the fourth last is biosphere, that means Geomandal. Dear students, if I have create any types of problems related to such the types of topics from the chapter or in an exercise. Just call on my number 8578885013. Just repeat again, 8578885013. Dear students, in next classes we will discuss the coming next topics. Thanks. Bye bye. Have a nice day.